Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD new update with snap tools and mirror around edge option in a mirror command. For example, in here I have these two objects, first a cylinder and the second cube. If you want to move this cylinder object into specific location, like I will move into center point in this face, we can use the snap tools. You can click utilities and then you can click snap. Now you can click at the center to move this cylinder object into the center point, so it will be easily to move the object. You also can click in here to move into this point. In this snap tools, we also have offset option. Like if you want to move this object with offset, like x-axis I will set into 20, and for z-axis in here we set into -20. And if I move this object into this point, it will be correct at this point because we offset with x-axis in here into 20 and z-axis into -20. So this is a very useful tools to move the object by specifying point in 3D models. In another update, SelfCAD already add a mirror around edge in a mirror command, so we can use a mirror command by using edge reference. For example, in here I will create a simple reference edge. You can click 3D sketch, and then in here I will use a landscape. We can create edge into this point, and we can create again from middle point into this point. So we have this reference image. We also can move this reference into middle point at this cylinder object. So I will move into here. I will change in here into orthographic, and then we already move in here to the top. Okay, now to use mirror command with reference edge, you can select these objects. Next, we can click mirror. I will use a correct copy. You can click here, correct copy, and we can click here, mirror around edge, and I will click at this edge. So it will be correct mirroring around edge. You can click OK. If we have more one object, we need to convert these objects into one with merge objects, and then we can use mirror tools to mirror this object. Okay, with mirror edge in this edge. So it's very easy to mirror the object around edge with SelfCAD software. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD new update, snap tools, and mirror around edge in mirror command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another SelfCAD basic tutorial.